Hi everyone. So in the previous videos of financial modeling series, we have covered to calculate bond price and coupon rate. So here in this video, we will be covering bonds yields to maturity. So basically, in simple words, bond yield is given how much the bond cost and how much it pays, what interest rate is the investors actually earning. Uh, we'll initiate the coding now. Go to developer, open your Visual Basic file, then type function. That is here we will be creating for bond yield that takes face value, that how much you will get at the end, like rupees 1000. Bond price, how much you pay to buy the bond now, say 950. Maturity, how many years the bond lasts, say 5 years. And coupon rate, that is interest rate the bond pays each year, says is 8% or 0.08. And once you enter, the function will initiate. Now moving to the next step, that we will be creating a list or an array called cash flows to store all the money you get or pay out over time. So this is dim cash flows 20, because so this code assumes that maturity is equal to or less than 20 years. uh, then the next step is cash flows 0 is equals to minus bond price. So here at time 0, that means today you spend money to buy the bond, so the minus sign indicates money is going out of your pocket. So you pay 950, say, now. Moving to the next code, that is for I is equals to 1 to maturity, and cash flows I is equals to face value into coupon rate. So this part setups the cash you receive every year from interest payment. Say if your face value is rupees 1000 and the coupon rate is 8%, so every year you will get 80 rupees. So this creates a loop that in the first year you get 80, for second year you get 80, for third year you get 80, so on until the bond matures. So now the next thing, that is now in the final year you not only receive the 80 amount but also your face value. So this code is for that. Cash flows maturity is equals to cash flows maturity plus face value. So 80 plus 1000, that is 1080. So in the last year you will get rupees 1080. So this code is for that. You have to be very careful about the spellings, the cash flows. You cannot write cash flow only, otherwise there will be some compiling error. I'll show you at the end also. So now moving to the main part of this formula, that is we are here using Excel's inbuilt IRR, that is internal rate of return function. So IRR finds the rate of return that makes the total of all incoming and outgoing cash flow 0. So in other words, it finds the interest rate yield that makes your bond present value equals to its current price. So we have to use application.worksheet and .irr in the cash flows. So this is the formula. Now you have to go in your Excel file, open that. Now equals to bond yield. These type of errors you can face. Bond yield, bracket open, and then you will select face value, all the components, comma, bond price, maturity, and then coupon rate, bracket close, and enter. So yeah, here it's gonna say that some more function delivered some compiler error here. So you can see that in the cash flows maturity I have written only cash flow, not as cash flows. So we will correct it and we will reset the formula, and then again you go to your Excel file, and yeah, it's there. So this is how you're gonna calculate your bond yield to maturity. That's all for this video. Thank you.